Hey everyone, I'm going to show you how to fix your TCL Smart TV that is not responding to your remote. So if you have a TCL remote and it is not working no matter what you do, so the first and most obvious thing to do is to check the batteries on the backside of your remote. So you should check the batteries and you should replace the batteries and also make sure that they are in the right direction as well. So positive and negative, you should also check that. And after checking the batteries, you should again try to use the remote, and it should be fixed. But if it still not works, then what you should do is, and if it still does not work, what you should do is you should turn off your TV and restart it properly by disconnecting the power plug from the wall, and then you should check if the remote is working or not. And if the remote is still not working, what you should do is you should try to press this button, the back button and the middle button at once, and then it will prompt the pairing screen so that you can pair the remote. So as you can see now, my remote has been paired, so you can do that. But if it is still not working, you should check your remote if it is working or not. But what you can do to check your remote is you can take your cell phone and you can turn on the camera and point your remote towards the camera. So this is the infrared emitter, IR blaster, and you should point it towards the camera and press the power button. And as you can see, there's a light that will show up in the camera. If you look very closely, there's a light here. And if the light is showing up, that means that remote is not faulty. But if the light is not showing up, that means that your remote is faulty and it's time to replace your remote. So I hope this was helpful. Thank you so much for watching.